All right, in this Delta Math module, we're going to use the box method. It's a guided thing. They're trying to teach you how to set up and use the box method. So we're going to do a certain number of problems of this style. Now notice that we've got things that are in parentheses. Parentheses are grouping symbols. We're meant to keep them together. Okay, so if I come down here to this negative 6x minus 5, and we see that it is green, that means that they go together. So what they're trying to tell us is if I want to go and drag that, I'm clicking and dragging. Okay, and I wouldn't then just go like over here with that. They won't let me. We want them to be grouped. So no, I need to put that negative 5 with that negative 6x. And I'm going to put this negative 5x and this 2 together, and then once I do that, it'll allow me to fill in these boxes. Way cool. So to fill this box, I'm going to take 2 and I'm going to multiply it by negative 5, and that is negative 10. Now over here I have my Desmos ready, because sometimes y'all's mental math is not as good as you hope it is. But the thing about it is that if I do negative 5 times 2, let's say I'm trying to do it in my head. Okay, so we see that it is negative 10. But let's say I had tried to do it in my head and I came up with like 7 because I'm thinking adding. And I hit this try button. It ain't going to let me do it wrong. So that's a good thing. And so yes, negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. All right, and then I'm going to fill this next box. So I'm going to do 2 times negative 6x. The 2 times the negative 6, and I'm using the star button, which is shift 8 in case, oh, that didn't help. Let's try that again. 2 times negative 6, and I'm going to hit enter so I'm out of that box. And I get negative 12, so I'm going to put negative 12, but I got to have that x from right here with it. I cannot throw those x's. You should end up with x's on the diagonals right here. All right, now I'm going to do negative 5 times negative 5x. So negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25. So that's going to be a 25 with the x behind it because of that x on the outside. Now here I see that I've got 2 x's. That means I'm going to end up with an x to the second here. Oops, let's do x to the second. All right, but what goes in front of it? Well, when I do negative 5 times negative 6, all right, hey, I'm going to make another mistake. Check this out. I filled all of these boxes and I didn't hit the try. But if I go to hit the try right now, oh, wait, what? Notice that they're saying your mistake is right here. That's what that box around there is telling you. These were all good, but since I didn't put in my negative 5 times my negative 6, which is positive 30, all right, now I have to simplify it. So I'm almost done, but not completely done. This term right here, there are no other x squared terms in the box. So I'm going to put my 30x to the second right there. Now I've got to do negative 12 plus 25. Negative 12, because I'm combining like terms. I did that thing again. Let me try that again. Negative 12 times, all right, negative 12 plus 25. Okay, and that's 13. It's a positive 13. So I'm going to have plus 13x. And then I have to just take this negative 10 minus 10. All right, I'm going to submit the answer. And there we go. Time to roll on. Hope that helps.